Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, January 29th, 2020. And today is a very special day in school because today is the 100th day of school. So that's right, boys and girls, you made it to the 100th day of school. You have 74 more days after today to complete out the school year. So some of you I know are doing some 100-day celebrations today, so have fun with that and celebrate 100 days here with being at Perry Elementary. Our January birthdays on this 100th day of school would be Joel Olson. So happy birthday, Joel. We hope you have a great day today. And then our lunch choices for today would be pancake with sausage, cheeseburger, or Peppy pizza salad. And today our paws are brought to us by second graders in Mrs. Rambolt's class.
All right, boys and girls, we have 3 students today from Mrs. Rambolt's second grade class who are going to go over things with our paws expectations.
If you're in the hall in a line, make sure it's straight and be quiet.
Don't change the passwords on the Chromebooks without your teacher's permission. When your teacher tells you to get on something on the computer, do not go on Google and search Baby Yoda.
All right.
Thank you guys very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And everybody have a great day on this 100th day of school. Have a wonderful day and do your best.